According to Entrepreneur, 90% of online businesses fail within just 4 months of launch. That's not because people don't have ideas, it's because they don't have a system, a framework. They chase tactics, they follow trends. But what they really need is truth. Because people like us, the ones building something that matters, we're not just trying to make money online. We're building digital empires. And to do that, you need more than hustle. You need the 6 laws of online wealth, timeless proven principles that scale your mindset, your money, and your mission. Welcome to Pick Yourself for Success, where we help you step out of your head and into your greatness. Let's build. Law number 1, the law of 1,000 true fans. You don't need to go viral, you need to go deep. Kevin Kelly, one of the first editors of Wired, wrote that all you really need to make a living as a creator is 1,000 true fans. Think about it. 1,000 people paying you $100 per year, that's a 6-figure business. Not from ads, not from millions of views, from connection, from trust. That could be a membership, a book, a course, a coaching call. And the beauty? The internet makes it possible. You're not limited by geography, gatekeepers, or glass ceilings. The average person still thinks success is about being seen by millions. But Pick Yourselfers know better. We don't need fans, we need believers. And belief scales faster than followers. You don't need to be famous. You just need to matter to the right 1,000 people. Law number 2, the law of relatable role models. You want to make real money online? Stop studying billionaires. Start studying builders, people who came from where you're standing, people who picked themselves. Like Neil Patel, started writing about SEO in his bedroom, now runs a multi-million-dollar agency. Or Latasha James started freelancing on YouTube, now runs a digital business teaching others how to do the same. Or Justin Welsh, burned out in startups, went solo, and built a one-person, $3 million brand. They didn't have fame. They had focus. They didn't wait to be discovered. They built something worth discovering. You don't need a new idea. You need a model worth remixing. Because when you see someone like you do it, it hits different. And when you become that person for someone else, that's legacy. Law number 3, the law of selling the pans. During the California gold rush, most people were digging in the dirt hoping to strike it rich. But the ones who made real money, they sold the pans, the shovels, the supplies. Levi Strauss didn't mind gold, he sold pants. Samuel Brannan sold gear and became California's first millionaire. And online, it's the same. Everyone's launching courses, but Kajabi and Teachable get paid every time. Everyone's writing newsletters, but ConvertKit and Beehive get the check. Everyone's making videos, but 11 Labs and Pictory power the content. Pick Yourselfers don't just chase trends. We create the tools, we build the platforms, we sell the pans. If everyone's hunting gold, be the one selling the map. Law number 4, the law of the evergreen engine. Most people post content like it's a one-night stand. They hit publish, get some likes, and move on. But Pick Yourselfers, we build engines, assets that work while we sleep. That's evergreen content. Videos that rank, emails that convert, products that relaunch themselves with the click of a link. Think of every piece of content like a seed. If you water it and optimize it, it feeds you for years. That's how digital empires are built, not on hype, but on harvest. If your work disappears in 24 hours, it's not an asset, it's a distraction. Build once, profit often. Think like an architect, not an influencer. Law number 5, the law of digital leverage. Time doesn't scale, but code does. Content does. Capital does. Leverage is the reason a one-person business can outperform a bloated agency. If you're repeating it daily, automate it. If you're selling your time, productize it. If you're waiting on clients, build your own funnel. Pick your selfers, use leverage like a weapon. Not to do more, but to do less better. Because you're not paid by the hour. You're paid by how well you multiply your hours. If your income depends on your presence, you don't own a business, you own a job. Time is sacred. Scale it wisely. Law number 6, the law of brand before bread. Anybody can make a sale, but not everyone can build a brand. Bread fades, brand endures. Your brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room. It's your tone, your truth, your track record. Pick your selfers, don't just post content. We write our values into every asset. We don't just want to be seen, we want to be trusted. And that trust, that's what gets you picked when everything else looks the same. Your work is your signature. Write something worth remembering. And if this hit home, flip to principle number 2 in our book, Pick Yourself for Success. We break down why you are a brand isn't a slogan, it's a survival strategy in the digital world. Let's recap. 1, 1,000 true fans. 2, relatable role models. 3, sell the pans. 4, evergreen engines. 5, digital leverage. 6, brand before bread. These are the 6 laws of online wealth. And if you build your digital empire around them, you won't just make money online, you'll make a meaning. Most people will scroll past this video and forget it in 30 seconds. But you're still here. Because deep down, you know this isn't about algorithms or luck, it's about ownership. It's about building something that can't be taken away. Not by a boss, not by a platform, not by fear. You're not waiting on a miracle. You are the miracle. So stop asking for permission. Pick yourself and build the empire only you can build. If you're a real one, a pick yourselfer, drop the words digital empire in the comments. Tell us which law you're mastering first. And if you want deeper strategies like this, check out the links below. We've got tools, resources, and a book that'll take you further. You didn't come this far just to be inspired. You came to become. Here's what most people miss. You're not behind. You're just in training. The struggles, they're shaping you. The silence, it's seasoning you. Every chapter of pain deserves a page of power. Every setback has a strategy buried inside it. And when it's all said and done, you'll be the one they study because you didn't just make money online. You built something that matters, a digital empire on your terms.